How to trim and cut videos in Veed. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io. Make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are on the dashboard, click on the Create button, then select New Project from the drop-down menu. Next, upload your video file from your computer or your phone and it will automatically appear on the editing timeline. To trim your video, simply click and drag the edges of the video clip into timeline. Move the handles inward to remove unwanted sections at the beginning or end. You can preview the trimmed version instantly in the playback window to make sure it looks perfect. If you want to cut a specific part in the middle of your video, place the playhead, the white line on the timeline, where you want to make the cut and then click the split button or use the S key as a shortcut. This will split your video into two separate clips. You can then delete the unwanted part or rearrange the clips in any order you like. Veed also allows you to zoom in on the timeline for more precise cutting, making it easier to edit short clips or sync transitions accurately. Once you have finished trimming and cutting, you can continue editing your project by adding subtitles, text, background music, transitions or effects to make your video look professional. Now you know how to trim and cut videos in Veed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.